নমস্কাৰ মোৰ বিদ্যাসাৰথী ইউটিউব চেনেললৈ তোমালোক সকলোকে স্বাগতম জনাইছো আগন্তুক হ'বলগীয়া এছএছসি সিএইচএছএলৰ মই তোমালোকক 2016 চনৰ যোৱাটো ভিডিঅ'ত মই দিছিলো তোমালোকক কোৱেশ্চন আজি মই তোমালোকক 2019 চনৰ 11 জুলাইত মানে হৈ যোৱা তাৰ কোৱেশ্চন এনসাৰখিনি মই তোমালোকক দিবলৈ চেষ্টা কৰিছো আশা কৰোঁ তোমালোক সকলোৱে ভাল পাবা সো দেৰি কৰি ভিডিঅ'টো ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰো হা Question number 1 Select the most appropriate synonym of the given word. Accurate word to option kita di dise tar synonym to ami uliabo lage mane ki hoy option 1 ot ase real option 2 ot ase genuine option 3 ot ase sincere option 4 ot ase precise gotike ya shuddho uttor tu ki hobo baru ya shuddho uttor tu hoise precise Question number 2. Select the most appropriate word to fill in the blank as it crossed the desert he nearly to thirst when he was forced to go without water for 4 days and 5 nights. Your appropriate word to fill in the blanks of dibo lage. Your option kintu ase submerged, survived, subsisted, succumbed. As he crossed the desert he nearly dashed to ki hobo mane to thirst when he was forced to go without water for 4 days and 5 nights your answer to hoise option 4 succumbed next select the most appropriate word for the given group of words a word to group or mane one who draws or produces maps ইয়াৰ অপচন কিটা আছে এপ্ৰোপ্ৰিয়েট ওয়ার্ডটো আমি সিলেক্ট কৰিব লাগে ফটোগ্ৰাফাৰ নে ডিজাইনাৰ নে কাৰ্টোগ্ৰাফাৰ এণ্ড ড্ৰাফটমেন্স ওয়ান হু ড্ৰজ এ প্ৰচিডিউৰ মেপ অকাজনক কি কয় ইয়া শুদ্ধ এনসাৰটো আমি সকলোৱে জানো কাৰ্টোগ্ৰাফাৰ নেক্সট আইডেন্টিফাই দা সেগমেন্ট ইন দা সেন্টেন্স হুইচ কন্টেইনস দা grammatical error She was unable to produce sufficient evidences for support her accusations. Option 2 hoise she was unable to produce support her accusations sufficient evidences for. Your option kitar bhitor kuntu hobo which contains the grammatical error to ami select koribo lage She was unable to produce support her accusations sufficient evidences for. Yeah, shuddho answer to hoise sufficient evidence for. Next, select the most appropriate meaning of the given idiom. Make short work of something. Appropriate meaning to ami select koribo lage. Option 2 আছে reduce the size dispose of quickly shorten some dress edit carefully short work of some ইয়াৰ appropriate word to হৈছে dispose of quickly next select the correct indirect form of the given sentence the interviewer asked Ramesh do you have any idea about our products এটো নেৰেশন হয় আমি অপচন কিটা দি থৈছে আমি উলিয়াব লাগে কোনটো হ'ব অপচন 1 আছে the interviewer asked Ramesh that if he had any idea about the products এটোৱে হ'বনে নে অপচন 2 the interviewer asked Ramesh if they had any idea about his products the interviewer asked Ramesh if he have any idea about their products Option 4 the interviewer asked Ramesh if he had any idea about the products Yeah, shuddho answer to hoise the interviewer asked Ramesh if he had any idea about the products Question number 7 Select the most appropriate word to fill in the blank Once again higher food inflation in combination with fuel and power provided dash to the wholesale inflation ইয়াৰ অপচন কিটা দিয়া আছে ইনসাইট ইম্পেটাস ইনস্পাইৰেশন ইমপ্ৰেশন ইয়া শুদ্ধ এনসাৰটো হৈছে ইম্পেটাস Question number 8 Select the most appropriate word for a given group of words. A person who sells and arranges cut flowers. Eto ki koy bao? A person who sells and arranges cut flowers. Botanist koy ne, florist koy ne, nutritionist koy ne, agriculturist koy. Ya shuddha answer to hoise florist. Question number 9. Select the most appropriate synonym of the given word. Dedication or word to dia ase appropriate synonym to ami uli kobo lage. Option ase determination, trepidation, commitment, contentment. Ya shuddha uttor to hoise dedication or commitment. Select the correctly spelled word. Spelled word to ami select koibo lage. Manageable, 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 manageable. Ya shuddha answer to hoise manageable. Option 2. 11 question number. Select the most appropriate option to substitute the underlined segment in the given sentences if there is no need to substitute it. Yat duta no hogol. Sorry. Select no improvement. My professor gave me a lot of useful advices when I was writing my research paper. Ya option dia ase ami kundu hobo likhibo lage. Gave me a lot of useful advice. No improvement. Gave me lots of useful advices. Gave me lots of useful advice. Ya shuddha answer hoise gave me a lot of useful advice. 12 question number. Select the most appropriate meaning of the given idiom make no headway. Appropriate meaning of the given idiom. Yato appropriate meaning to ami kopo lage. Forced to fix a new goal, unable to overtake anyone. Sake if the head can pass through, unable to progress ahead. Answer to hoise unable to progress ahead. 13. Select the most appropriate antonym of the given word. Hope or antonym to. Mane biporit to. Confidence, despair, daring, courage. Answer to hoise despair. Select the most appropriate antonym of the given word. Abstract or antonym to ki hobo? Vague, intangible, elusive, and concrete. Answer to hoise concrete. Next, select the correct passive from the given sentence. Voice change সকলোৱে কৰো. Passive voice and active voice. Passive থাকিলে active হলে নিব লাগে আৰু active থাকিলে passive হলে কৰিব লাগে. ইয়াত আছে someone gave him a new case for his credit cards. এতিয়া আমি এটো কৰিব লাগে. He has given him new case for his credit cards. Ne option 2 hobo. He is given a new case for his credit cards. He had given a new case for his credit cards. He was given a new case for his credit cards. Eto ami koibo lage. Keneke koim? Ya unto answer to hoise he was given a new case for his credit cards. Tumalokor jodi mo video to bhal lagile like, share and subscribe koribole napahuriba. Dhonnobad.